Alright, so this is my PC. It has an i5-7600K and a GTX 1080. But I'm talking today to show you some upgrades I did to it as I built it a couple of months ago. First of all, if you haven't seen the video when I built it, then check it out. It's in the corner, here. The first upgrade will be putting this hard drive in my computer. Okay, not this one, this one. Basically, this is a 640GB hard drive to give me more storage. And since hard drives are quite cheap, a lot of other people do this too. So this second upgrade is purely just aesthetic, but I think it is still cool. So I have a GTX 1080 and it supports SLI. I don't know why I have this, but if you put it on these pins, boom, a small LED lights up. Unfortunately, I can't change the color as my GPU for some reason isn't supported to do that, but still, every small detail adds up. Okay, so this third one makes a lot of sense. I had this old Noctua fan laying around, so I put it in. Let's play a game. You have 10 seconds to spot the Noctua fan. There it is. It is positioned as an exhaust to help with airflow. And because it's so freaking ugly, luckily you can't really see it very well. A stupid simple mistake I did when plugging in the front I/O was I didn't realize that I had plugged the HDD light in the wrong way. This isn't really an improvement, but rather a simple fix. Yay! Now I have a blinking light that shows my hard drive is doing something! The last thing I did was to overclock my CPU. I think this 80mm Cooler Master cooler is good enough, and the temp is only around 60 degrees. And with that, I also changed the fan curves to help with airflow. Which, I mean, I probably didn't really need to do as my KS airflow is pretty good. Anyway folks, that's it for today. Feel free to make these same improvements to your PC, unless you daily drive a Chromebook.